coming up for 2 o'clock. So I've got my little bag here.
Oh. I thought you said I got to go south.
Oh yeah, look, dropoff.gatwickairport.com. Bye, darlings. Bye. Oh my God, look at that. In this video, I'm taking you from Gatwick North Airport over to Enfidha, which is in Tunisia. So make sure you come with us. I'm going to give you all of my tips for travelling, having a straightforward travel day, even though it's like very early in the morning. It's like coming up for 2 o'clock. I haven't slept very much and I've definitely got that airport feeling. Do you ever get that airport feeling like it's through your tummy? By lunchtime, I am hoping to be sitting somewhere nice, maybe sipping a little Coke Zero. So make sure you come with me from door to door. We're going to go from here to the airport, the Sky, and then through to the hotel at the other side. And then obviously we'll be vlogging the whole trip, so make sure that you come along for that. This is a solo travel day for me as well, which sometimes I don't travel alone. But if there's any solo travel tips that I can give you, I will do that. So make sure you stay to the end of the video. If you're new here, hello, my name's Louise. Please do subscribe because I really appreciate that. And I will see you at the airport. So I've just asked Alexa what the temperature is out there, and she says it's currently 16 degrees. Now that's the middle of the night, so I'm going to go out on a limb and probably not take a coat with me. I'm going to take it in the car, see how I feel when I get to Gatwick. But I have got something else that's like, I've got big oversized jumpers like this. I've got a hoodie that's got a hood. Should I need it? But I don't think I'm going to need an actual winter coat. It's going to be a lot to carry otherwise, so hopefully not. So I've got my little bag here, which is going to go across my body with my passport and stuff in it. I've got my backpack, which has got loads of tech stuff in it. And then I've got this big suitcase. So let's hit the road. Well, I am at Gatwick North. It's not very easy to find sometimes on the TUI thing, like where you're going. But we drove past Gatwick South and Jazz was like, I think you've got to go there. I'm like, no, it's always
I thought
north.
that's what you'd said.
Oh.
I thought you said I got to go south, and then I read the sign and I was like, you got to go south because it's there.
No. Oh, I don't know. Anyway, but we're here at Gatwick North and I'm pretty sure it's the right one. But there is a monorail that goes between north and south at Gatwick. So if you've got the wrong one and you need to get on, then you can. That's not too much of a problem. So my lovely daughter is dropping me off here. There are charges that apply now if you're dropping off here. I think it's £5 or something, and you can do it on, I think it's gatwickparking.com. Where you can book your 15 minutes or oh yeah, look, dropoff.gatwickairport.com. Look at these tips of the day. I'm going to bring you so many tips, you're going to love it. But yeah, I just thought it would be a whole lot easier. Do you know what I love at the airport? Seeing what people are wearing. Like, you know what I'm wearing? I wear the same thing every time. I'm turning into my mum and dad. All I need is a bum bag now with a little bunny nose or something on it. Didn't they have something like that? A little pig. Gatwick North, I don't think you can actually go through security until 4 o'clock, but I have got bag drop. It's 3:05 in the morning now. Feeling really flipping tired. Looking forward to a sleep on the plane. It's only 3 hours to Tunisia and I will be there by lunchtime. Oh, that's very bright. Way, beat me up, Scotty. Saying bye to my lovely girl. Bye, darling. See you in a week's time. First time that this big suitcase has come with us. So yeah, I've already said to him I think I prefer the shell ones, the hard shell ones. So there she goes. There she goes. Jazz is gone. So we're going up the Travelator. Ah, it's exciting. I'm a little bit nervous. I don't know what that's all about, but yeah, let's do this thing. So we need to go up the stairs. I'm going to take the lift. So here we are. It's time to do the backdrop thing. So I'm pretty sure when you come at 4 o'clock in the morning, it's open, but right now it's not yet open. So you get people sleeping in and dressed as, I don't know what that is, a baby. Slightly concerning. So that's that done. Yeah. Got a bit nervous about my tags falling off, but anyway, it's done now. So gonna go for a quick lucky wee before I go through the security bit, and then yeah, see if we can get through. So that security there is open, but the one up here isn't open yet. So this is for the assistants, family ones, and this is where the toilets are. Seriously, loads of people fast asleep. suitcase, a little bit of interesting information for you, is when you bring through your liquids, you need to make sure that they're not covered by anything. They are being very strict on making sure they fit into the bags as well. You know what now? It's time for this. So now we're through the duty free and I'm just looking at my gate information, which is up here. Look at all those departures where they're going to Corfu, Bodrum, Malaga. Most of the EasyJet, look at that, only 3 are TUI, which is interesting. I'm on a TUI flight today to Enfidha, which is unusual. I haven't been on a TUI flight in quite a long time. I think they might have done this up, I'm not too sure. I'm a little bit tempted to go sit over there and get a coffee because I could do some editing while I'm there, but I might not. I need to go and buy a toothbrush because I'm leaving my electric toothbrush at home, so I think it might run out after a week. So yeah, let's do that. Might go to Starbucks. Don't forget, I'll tell you my tip about Starbucks, which is up there. If you order it ahead on the app, we'll go and take a seat and order it on the app, and then you don't have to stand in the queue, which is normally really long. But it is getting quite busy coming through here now, so I might end up going to Starbucks and settle down now. I had Apple AirTags in my suitcase and my hand luggage, and it's so worth the money because this way you can check that they're actually on the plane with you. So I was keeping a bit of an eye on it within this video, you'll see, and I just think for the sake of spending, I think they're £28 each now, it's really worth the peace of mind. So you can see where it is in the airport. Looks like they've had a few little changes at the airport. That's somewhere new there you can eat. Don't know what that's called, a brew dog. And then there's breakfast club. So that's good because they definitely needed all of that, didn't they? I think. So I thought I'd just quickly show you the lounges that's here, which you can book online as well. The Emirates is by invitation only. That's a nice one. I've been in there a few times before. So I've added up what I'm paying. So I've paid £8.50 for my meal deal, which if I'd gone in there, obviously that would have been included. My coffee was £4 something, so it's been 12 quid. So while I was waiting to actually take my seat on the plane, I did have another little look to see where my suitcase was, and I could actually see it moving with my Apple AirTag. It was brilliant.
And please feel free to stop us as we pass through the cabin shortly. Thank you.
So we had to wait for over an hour in passport control, which was a little bit boring. I did try and find out if this is typical of Enfidha Airport, because Jasmine and I also waited a long time when we went in 2022, but I'm not sure if it was. We got outside, it was a very windy day, so coming into land was one of those situations where they got a clap at the end of it, but after another hour waiting on the coach for everybody to arrive, we was on our way. I really like a transfer, so I didn't mind too much. were the first hotel to be dropped off where I was staying, which was really, really fortunate, and it only took about 30 minutes or so. I really like this when you're pulling up to your hotel and you've got all the exploring and everything to do.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you.
We were greeted by the animation team, who turned out to be absolutely spot on, and they were playing Boomba, which, as you know, you probably know by now, something that I really like. So we're not quite checked in yet, but just arrived, and it looks really, really, really nice. Really nice weather. I'm liking the weather. Look at this. Does it remind you of anywhere? I wasn't too fussed that we couldn't check in for a little while, because I went and sat outside to enjoy the weather and get a cold drink. Oh my God, look at that. How lovely is that? So lovely. Does that look like the mermaid or what? Isn't it though? Make sure that you come back because we've got all of this exploring to do with this lovely hotel.
I'm gonna shout it out, yeah, up on the